Hi, everybody. It's me, Mrs. Salazar, talking to you about factoring trinomials. Okay, so we're in chapter 8 in the very beginning, and we have a problem on the board that we've actually done in class, 3x squared plus 10x plus 8. The first step you need to do is make your generic rectangle. And we put our 3x squared term diagonal from the 8. You want to multiply those. We get 24x squared. That 24x squared goes at the top of your diamond. And at the bottom of the diamond, 10x. Okay, so what two numbers do you know multiply to equal 24x squared and add to give you 10x? You have to think about this in your head. It's either 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, or 4 times 6. And we're going to use 4 times 6. So we have 4x and 6x. And we're going to put that in our rectangle. Okay, so now we want to find the side lengths, okay? We need to find the greatest common factor. Find the greatest common factor, and then doing it up and down too, okay? For 3x squared and 4x, our greatest common factor is x. For 6x and 8, our greatest common factor is 2. And our greatest common factor going up and down for 3x squared and 6x is 3x. Now double check. Does 3x times 2 equal 6x? Yes. Does 3x times x equal 3x squared? Yes. Over here, we'll put a 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times x is 4x. So those are our lengths, and we put it as a binomial. X plus 2 times 3x plus 4. Okay, thank you, everybody. Bye.